Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to download your Vimeo video. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to save their Vimeo video onto their desktop, laptop, or whichever. So be sure to stick around till the end just because this video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point. So let's go and get started by first going on to our Vimeo account. Now what I have here is just a demo video. Now in order to actually download your Vimeo video, what you're going to do is click on these three dots. And then you're going to see a tab here that says download. So once you click on download, you can see that there's a variety of different option sizes to actually download. You can download in 1080p, 720, and to be real, I don't know why these are even options. As far as 720 and 1080, I understand, but the other types of quality, people normally don't download these other types of quality unless they're meaning for like file sizes or something. But slightly off tangent, that is how you actually go ahead and download a Vimeo video. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.